If you could see these lips right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. Wish I could trade you lives right now instead of processing these sub-orders. I don't admit it. I play it cool. But every item that's discontinued gets me down on it, and I won't lie, I break a sweat. Google's providing everything but the thing I'm trying to get. Oh, I struggle to contain. Oh, the hate that's in my face. Oh, and how it circulates. If you could see these subs right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. Wish I could trade your lives right now instead of processing these top orders. All these subs are taking over this weed and they won't let up. All these subs are taking over this weed and they won't let up. If you could see these subs right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. So close to finding the perfect side. It's making me mad, man, the sword is tearing me apart. Oh, struggle to contain. Oh, the hate that's in my face. Oh, and how it circulates. If you can see these subs right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. Wish I could trade your lives right now instead of processing these sub-orders. All these subs are taking over this weed and they won't let up, and they won't let up. All these subs are taking over this weed and they won't let up, and they won't let up. If you can see these subs right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. This has been found, now stepping out, I'm getting close. I've had enough of all these sides, I'm glad it's over. See these signs right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. Wish I could track your lives right now instead of processing this up. Hard doors. Right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. Wish I could trade you lives right now instead of processing these orders. All these subs are taking over, now it's me, and they won't let up. All these subs are taking over, now it's me, and they won't let up. If you can see these subs right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. If you can see these subs right now, you beat your head in with a sledgehammer. Wish I could trade you